friends. I'm Poppy. Today let's learn more about the objects in the house. Living room edition, part 3. Clock. Vase, which can also be pronounced as vase. Vase or vase. Indoor plants. Home decor items. Curtains. Window. And the last one on our list for the day is door. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different household items. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.